Hello everyone, the vizio here is a model number is a V556 G1. So I already took this cover. This is the bottom's flex cable and the speaker, so you can't move the whole back, so just be careful to that flex cable over there to don't damage it. So I'm gonna push the power button. Okay, it turns on. You can see the backlight, and this is what we get: lines, and the lines faded, like the lines was here, now faded. Sometimes I see the red lines. That's all. Vertical lines, you can see them. Yeah, this is a 4K screen, and let's see if we can fix this TV. So because we have the problem in the screen, we're gonna go do some voltage test. The first voltage here in this fuse should be 12 volt. So the other side of the fuse, of course, is going to be 12 volt. The very important voltage for the screen to work right is there is a VGH here, VGL, and there is VCOM, and there is a VDD is here. So let's test these voltages to see if that exists or is something wrong with them. VGH is, from the name, is a voltage high, so it's a 25 volt. VGL is here. This is a negative voltage, is a minus 10, so it's good. VCOM 6 volt, VDD 15 volt, VCC 3.4, that's good. V3D3 is a 3 volt, 3.3 volt. So basically there is all the voltage. That means the T-con is doing their job, and this DC to DC converter is giving the right voltage. So next we're going to check if it's the screen problem. We're going to take one of the flex cables and see if we can find any change or any good picture. Unplug it. I'm going to remove this side. No, just one side. So remove this side. Plug the power, Salma.
Okay, it's plugged.
I'm gonna push the power button. So waiting for the TV to turn on. I see the backlight. We still doesn't have the picture. So the side that we disconnect is a white screen. The other side we have just like red lines. You can see that big line from the top to the bottom. So that side is make no change. When disconnect this side, make no change. So disconnect the power plug. We're gonna connect this one, and we're gonna disconnect this side here. So we connect back this one and disconnect this one.
Then we plug it back in.
Plug it back. These girls do a lot of surfing.
No.
Okay, we have the backlight, and voila! Look, we have a good picture this side.
But it's loading.
Yeah, you can see it's kind of, the other side is completely white, but we have some good picture here. So what it's telling us now is the problem is not in the main board, it's not in the T-con board. The problem is in this side of the screen. And usually this problem is not a capacitor, so we can check, like if you want to be sure, you can check these capacitors here for sure. All these capacitors, I'm kind of sure about this one is not a capacitor. So let me show you a trick how we're gonna fix this one. At the first I try a piece of the tape this side, still have no picture. Then I try the other side, and we have this picture look like this. The lines and look like it's a double image. This is the size of the tape that I used before, and I cut half of this one thickness. And now the picture is not moving, but there is a little flicker. I'm going to see if I can take care of that flicker. So here I cut this piece. You can see the thickness. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is glue. Some still doing the hard floor. And that's the traces that I cover. So it's about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm gonna go with this one. Maybe it's gonna cover like 2 or 3. So one of that here, like just for you to see how thick. You see, it's about like half of it. So one of that 5 traces, or 2 of them are shorted. So I cover about the first 2 traces, and we'll see if that's gonna give us a picture. When I cover the first 2 traces, we back to the lines again. For here, this is what I covered. So I skipped the first 3 pins, then I cover the 4 and 5. Wait. So let me put this one back.
Can I test it?
Plug it.
Okay.
Hold on.
Now?
Yeah. So wait for this light to go off. Now we can push the power button. TV is gonna turn on. Yeah.
Great screen, bro.
So no more flickering. It's fixed.
Yippee! All fixed it. No network. So there's no internet?
Yeah, picture looks good. No flickering, and looks
When I plug it. Oh no. I'm gonna plug it.
So this is how we fix the screen problem, just by covering the bad traces that's carrying the signal and voltages, and the TV will back to life again. This repair is for good, not the problem is going to show again. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. The picture looks good.